Good morning, student. Welcome to the Gyan Jyoti online classes. I am your English teacher. Today we discuss English reader chapter 9. Okay, and chapter 9 is Santa's Christmas. Okay, everyone know Christmas and December 25. Okay, Christmas day, and the Christians संप्रदाय के जो लोग रहते हैं उन लोग जो है क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटीज enjoy and celebrated the Christmas day. Okay, 25 December is the very important day for Christians community. If it was Christmas Eve today, what we wish the Santas Claus to bring you as a gift, and one of the Santa's Claus person, he gifted to all children. Okay, and that day maximum many type of gifted for children. December 25, the Santas. Okay, Santa is one of the joker type person, but not a joker, but he gifted a children many things. Okay, so let's start the story, small story, Santa's Christmas. It was a beautiful December day. So the student first you open page number 72, chapter 9. Okay, and then you have to listen very carefully. It's important for you. Some students not listening carefully and unminded. So if you unminded, then you not catch anything else and do not understand it. So be careful and listen very carefully. Small story, but very interesting. It was a beautiful December day with their blue sky and snow-covered treetops. दिसंबर में क्या है, बहुत ही सुंदर दिखाई देता है हमारे जो आसमान, जैसे स्नो पड़ रहा है और चारों तरफ जैसे ग्रीन ट्रीज दिखाई देता है. और उस दिन क्या है, क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी के लोग जो है एक ट्री को लाइट से सजाते हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा दिन रहता है उनका, फेस्टिवल जो है उनका. सो क्रिसमस वाज इन द एयर, जैसे लगता है कि हवा में क्रिसमस was in the air, but of Santa's lodge all was quiet. Okay, the usual hustle and bustle of preparing Christmas gift was missing. Okay, एकदम जो हल्ला इधर उधर जो मचाते रहते हैं, या एक फेस्टिवल का हलचल जो रहता है, सो उस तरह से इस क्रिसमस में डे में नहीं है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे सांता मिसिंग है, गिफ्टेड मिसिंग है, जो गिफ्ट है वो मिसिंग है, सांता है ऑलरेडी. क्योंकि सांता जो है जो गिफ्ट देते हैं बाबा टाइप का, जो जोकर टाइप का जो बना रहता है, जो गिफ्ट देने वाला वो जो है आज बीमार है, बहुत ही बीमार है. सो सांता है इल. Oh dear, what will the children say when they don't receive Christmas gift this year? तो यहाँ पे चिल्ड्रन जो है आज जो है गिफ्ट रिसीव नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि अभी जो है संता जो है जो गिफ्ट देने वाला वो बीमार है. इस साल बहुत ही मुश्किल लगा है गिफ्ट रिसीव करना बच्चों को. Santa's wanted settling आज ही lay in his bed, and Santa wanted settling आज ही lay in his bed, क्योंकि सांता जो है बीमार होके अपना बेड में पड़ा हुआ है, कोई भी हलचल नहीं है, सब शांत लग रहा है. Suddenly he heard a noise from outside. Suddenly सांता को कुछ महसूस हुआ कि बाहर तरफ कुछ हो हल्ला हो रहा है. He looked out of the window and saw his poor reindeer. तो जैसे ही देखा खिड़की की ओर से कि वहाँ पे 4 हिरन जो है स्टैंडिंग प्रेजेंट एज यूजुअल, और 4 हिरन जो है खड़े हुए पूरा स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में, स्टैंडिंग एसेंशियली एज यूजुअल पेशेंट के साथ खड़ी हुई, बट दे सीम क्वाइट अफ्रेड एज दे हैड जस्ट फिनिश्ड ए लॉन्ग। और वो हाँफना यानी कि दौड़ के जैसे हम लोग आते हैं तो कुछ महसूस होता है, ब्रेथ जो है हमारा फूल जाता है और जो श्वास लेने में थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है, उस तरह से हम लोग लॉन्ग ट्रिप से आए हैं, लॉन्ग जर्नी से आए हैं, उस तरह से हम लोग खड़े हो गए। As if they had just finished a long trip. As Santa took it closer to look, he could not believe that what he saw. For behind the reindeer was a long train of sled carrying little children dressed in different colors. तो जैसे लग रहा है कुछ बच्चों का कपड़े वहाँ पे लाए हुए हैं और संता जो देख रहा है वो चारों हिरण one by one they hopped out on the snow and headed towards Santa Lodge, Santa की लॉज तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, जो घर है संता उस तरफ बढ़े जा रहे हैं। Soon there was a knock on the door और कुछ समय बाद जो है संता का जो डोर खटखटाया, coming Santa was extremely curious, जैसे उनको पहले से जान गए थे कि लोग आ रहे हैं, देखे थे, तो एक जिज्ञासु की तरह, क्यूरियस, एक्सट्रीमली क्यूरियस, एक जिज्ञासु की तरह कि इन लोग आएंगे और दरवाजा खटखटाएंगे, इस तरह से उसको महसूस पहले से हो गया था। Intact little girl hugging something soft in her hand. I heard that you were sick, Mr. Santa. उस पर छोटा सा लड़की आई है और पूरा पकड़ लिया है संता को और जैसे सॉफ्ट हैंड से, सॉफ्ट आर्म से, I heard that you were sick, Mr. Santa. मुझे पता था कि आप जो है बीमार हो गए हैं, बोल के देखो सीधा पिक्चर for reindeers and some students are coming and Santa that time lying the bed on see that moment in window side. Okay, so see the picture. This picture describing all the story very clearly. Then you have to open 75 pages. See begins, so I am giving you my teddy bear to keep your company. Why thank you little Emma, said Santa for a name every child I know. Okay, so जैसे उसको टेडी बियर गिफ्ट कर रहे हैं, कंपनी कुछ कंपनी दे रहे हैं, उनके कदम पकड़ रहे हैं, थैंक यू लिटिल ईमा। यहाँ पे जो संता है लिटिल ईमा है, जो लड़की का नाम, उसको थैंक यू बोल रहे हैं, धन्यवाद दे रहे हैं, सर्च फॉर द नेम एवरी चाइल्ड आई नो। और सभी का नाम जैसे पहले से जाना गया नाम है और नाम पकड़ के बुला रहे हैं। Then young boy entered with red package in his arm. और कुछ उस समय एक यंग बॉय यानी कि नवयुवक जो है एंटर कर रहे हैं कुछ पैकेज, रेड पैकेट के साथ। his arm we knew that you were ill, Papa Santa, he said, so my family united this white for you to keep you warm in the winter days. Then one young boy gifted to Santa a warm knitted quilt, यानी कि बुना हुआ कपड़ा जो है संता को दिया जा रहा है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि विंटर सीजन में बहुत ही ठंडी रहता है और उसको वार्म चाहिए, गर्मी चाहिए। Why that is wonderful thought fall. So dear student, one of the young boy entered with the red package in his arm. We knew that he will eat Papa Santa. He said, so my family united this fight for you, so keep you warm in the winter season. Winter days, this very coolest day, so young boy gifted the Santas, and you have to just wear and you have to feel warmer. Why? What a wonderful thought Paul beamed Santa patting him in hand. उसके बाद उसके जो नाम है पॉल, उसका नाम जो है जो यंग बॉय का फॉर्म है, तो बीम संता पुटिंग हिम ऑन द हेड, उसको जो सर को पकड़ लिया है। बहुत ही खराब लग रहा है क्योंकि इस टाइम में संता जो है उन लोग गिफ्टेड या गिफ्ट देता था। आज जो बच्चे हैं उसको आके वो सब जरूरत का चीज जो है हेल्प करते हैं। कोई टेडी बियर दे रहा है, कोई उसको वार्म अप कर रहा है, कुछ बुना हुआ कपड़ा दे रहे हैं आके। एंड वन बाय वन चिल्ड्रन केम टू थ्रू सांता's डोर। और उसी तरह से एक के साथ एक और बहुत सारे बच्चे जो है संता के दरवाजे पे खड़े हो जाते हैं। ईच विद स्पेशल गिफ्ट टू इस संता वेल। ये जो है संता के लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल गिफ्ट है। आज जो है गिफ्ट देने वाला जो है गिफ्ट नहीं दे रहा है, और जो गिफ्ट जो देता है आज वो है बहुत ही बीमार है, इसलिए वहाँ पे जो संता है वो पूरी तरह से टूट गया है बच्चे को देखकर, और बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रहा है कि बच्चे आज जो है मैं उनको गिफ्ट देता हूँ, उन लोग आज मेरे सामने आ रहे हैं, तो उनको बहुत ही अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है। There were cookies, peas, pies, socks, mitten, books, jigsaw puzzle and even small Christmas tree. ओके, तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे चीज लेके आए हैं बच्चे, जो कुकीज है। आप लोग को जो अच्छा लगता है कुकीज, ओके, pies, socks, mitten, books, jigsaw puzzle and even small Christmas. Christmas tended to my doorstep, exclaimed संता। उसके बाद क्रिसमस डिलीवर्ड माय डोरस्टेप, यानी कि आज जो है क्रिसमस मेरे घर के दरवाजे पे मनाया जा रहा है, और बहुत ही चिल्ला रहा है संता वहाँ पे, बहुत ही अच्छा महसूस कर रहा है। Come let us to share this wonderful gift, and he gathered the children around him in big circle. क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत ही बच्चे जमा हो गए हैं और एक सर्कल बना लिए हैं, a big circle around the Santas, and happily they were gathering by around the Santas said, and had the reindeers 2 and 2 and 4 here, and some children are around the Santas. It's very magical picture, is very wonderful pictures. See the picture, okay, the student. So it's very happy moment. But Santa, as a ill person, is now he cannot gifted children, but children gifted the Santas and get together his house, and by the some things are gifted the Santa said, okay. So Santa, which parents do you like best? Santa said, which present do you like best? Imagine picked up my dear little on Santa replies smiling. उसके बाद संता को जो है हम लोग आए तो आपको लोग अच्छा लगा क्या बोल के पूछा जा रहा है। इमा जो है छोटा सा बच्ची जो है वो संता एक स्माइलिंग के साथ रिप्लाई दे रहा है, बहुत ही खुशी लग रहा है, क्योंकि एक ऐसा मौका है जो दुख की घड़ी में जो आ जाता है, और उसी तरह से एक स्माइलिंग का फेस रिप्लाई देना। इट इज द लव ऑफ काइंडनेस टू ईच of you have so to me today, that is the best present of all. He looked fondly at all children around him. वो बहुत ही खुशी महसूस कर रहा है, वो जो बीमार है फिर भी बीमार है, पैर करने लग रहा है, इस तरह से उसको एक अलग सा खुशी जो है मिलता हुआ है जो सांता क्लॉज है। दिस इज माई लिटिल वन सिक्स ट्रू मीनिंग्स ऑफ क्रिसमस। इसको जो है क्रिसमस बोला जाता है। हर दिन मैं आप लोग को कुछ देता था, आज तो आप लोग मेरे को आके मैं जो दुख की घड़ी है उनके लिए आप लोग मेरे को आके यहाँ पे एक खुशी का माहौल बना दिए। उनके जो क्रिसमस के दिन जो है सांता क्लॉज बहुत ही एक खुशी उसको महसूस हो रहा है। एट विद दिस सांता गेव ईच ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन ए बिग हॉलिडे हग। सभी को ये हॉलिडे हग दे रहा है, एक सबको हगिंग करते हुए सभी बच्चे जो है खुशी से सांता क्लॉज पे गिफ्टेड दे रहे हैं। So dear student, it's very interesting story. So just read and enjoy it, because Santa's Christmas is very beautiful. It's every year, but nowadays Santa illness, healing, and students are much more the supported the Santas and coming from the door in Santa's home, and they are gifted Santa, because Santa is illness today. The December 25 Christmas day. So it is the interesting part of our life. we have to not completely clear or completely fresh or good every day. एक ना एक दिन हम लोग को मतलब इलनेस महसूस होता है, कुछ कमजोरी महसूस होता है, बीमार पड़ जाते हैं, चाहे वो मौसम के कारण हो या कुछ के कारण. So that's is an amazing moments for Santa Claus because he gifted to all over the years to children, but nowadays children are coming on the doors for the food reindeers and gifted things and small hugging and talk to the Santa Claus and his feelings are very better. So dear student, first read all the stories, very interesting, very good. Okay, I think you have to understand better all the sentence, all the words, all the stories. As the writer's name is Rabindranath Tagore, is very describing, very interesting and very deeply. So dear student, just you have to do yourself all the story you have to read very carefully. So dear student, so do some new words. Okay. So first you open your copy, just write a new words. Okay. It's very important for you. It's help to understanding the story. So dear student, first you see the blackboard. Okay. Clear, the meaning of clear here, the difference meaning. Here's cloudless. Okay. The meaning of clear, cloudless यानी कि मेघ से परे यानी मेघ से यानी मेघ रहना. Cloud is the meaning of clear. Large house, यहाँ पे हम लोग जो है different city, different town में lodges देखने को मिलता है. So that means the house, hostel and bustle. Hostel and bustle. Lots of activity and work. It's very workful and very hard work. Hostel and bustle, lots of activities and work. Okay. Then another number you have to write in your copy. New words helping to read easily and understand the story. So you have to write all the new words. Okay. Reindeer. Reindeer means hiran. Deer the full sledge. Okay. Deer that full sledge. Sledge. Okay. So just to open another slide, 76 page. Peasant. Peasant means white. White. चुप हो जाना without getting angry और अपना गुस्सा ना दिखाना without getting angry. इसमें just I am saying in Hindi because you have to know it better. Okay. Well, so the meaning of slates. Slates. This means slates. Slates. Actually, वे बहुत एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं, उत्साहित हो जाते हैं, चले जाते हैं कुछ भी मौके. So very meaning of very ज़्यादा ज़्यादा चिल्लाते हैं. So that's why extreme means is very. Okay. So just another somebody have to write. Okay. Methane. What is the meaning of methanes? A type of glue that cover. एक ग्लोब टाइप का रहता है जो कवर होके रहता है covers that four fingers. So this one uses is Santa Claus. Just I say together the type of gifted from children. Santa Claus using 25 December and the thumb separately. Okay. So a type of gloves that covers that four finger together and the thumbs separately. ये जो thumbs है एक separate कर दिया था. फोर जो fingers है ये cover कर दिया था. वैसे चीज को जो methanes बोलते हैं. Okay. Just wearing the Santa Claus this one. ये 25 December. Okay. The day is Christmas Day. The others was jigsaw puzzle. What is the meaning of jigsaw puzzles? So cardboard type, cardboard puzzle. What cardboard puzzle with pieces that have to be fitted together. Okay, just to name. What is the meaning of jigsaw puzzle? Cardboard puzzle with pieces that have be fitted together. एक दूसरे से जो फिट होकर रहता है कार्डबोर्ड में और एक पीस टाइप का रहता है. So that's mean jigsaw puzzle. Okay. So dear student, just write this one. Then others means we have to write on blackboard. I erase all the meanings because they short place on a blackboard. So mind I have to using erases pit of here scope of. This pit of means scope of. Okay. So meaning of pit of यानी कुछ बातें करना. Scope of. Foundry. In a loving way. ये जो फाउंड्री का मीनिंग है एक प्यार भरा रास्ता. ओके. इन ए लविंग वे. प्यार भरा रास्ता. इन हिंदी मीनिंग्स. So dear student, you just know a new words for it Hindi or English meanings. Okay. Just you read very carefully. It's easy for the knowing story, understand the story. Okay. Then you have to do some question answer. Okay. Be ready. Just you have to give the answer. Okay. So underline the correct answer. Underline the correct answer. Okay. So here is the some numbers 1 to 4 number and 2 numbers is given. Okay. One has been right and one is the wrong. Okay. So one number we have to do in Santa, in Santa's lodge. Okay, just you see the blackboard. All was white because the Christmas gift gifts were not ready, or Santa had fallen asleep. Which one is the right? So underline the correct answer. Okay, just you have to underline. Ice Santa's lodge was white because the Christmas gift were not ready. Christmas gift ready नहीं था. Yes, Santa had fallen asleep. So this one is right answer. Santa had fallen asleep. Okay. So dear student, first number I have to do. Okay. The correct answer, Santa had fallen asleep. So dear student, rest other number you have to do yourself. Okay, it's very easy. When Santa looked out his window, his 2 4 reindeer seemed quite out there. Santa जो है विंडो की तरफ देखा तो कितने रेंडियर थे? 2 3 या 4? Obviously 2. So you have to do and underline it. 4 reindeers seemed quite out of breath. Okay. Then others number you have to do 3 4 number. Okay. So the student is very easy, not a out of part out of books. Okay. So inside a book, so you have to read very carefully and understand all the story. Then it help you know all the question and answer. Okay. 3 and 4, 2 3 4 number you have to do yourself. Okay. Then answer this question. I just read understand it. What did Santa wonder say? Santa की दुखी. Number first, what were Santa reindeers carrying? Santa के लिए reindeers क्या लाए थे? What did Emma and Paul bring for the Santa? Emma and small girls and Paul is the youngest boy. So what they are bring for the Santa? Santa के लिए वो दोनों क्या लाए थे? उसको आप लोग करना है. What is the best Christmas gift according to Santa? सबसे बेस्ट संता के लिए क्रिसमस गिफ्ट क्या था? Okay. At last you have to know and understand it. Okay. So you have to do yourself. If you don't know, then I will give you the question answer. Okay. Next time. Then another number, circle the gifts that Santa did not get from the children. Santa जो है चिल्ड्रंस लोगों को जो गिफ्ट नहीं लाए थे, चिल्ड्रंस लोग संता के लिए जो नहीं लाए थे, यहाँ पे दिया गया है. सर्कल द गिफ्ट दैट संता डिड नॉट गेट फ्रॉम द चिल्ड्रन. चिल्ड्रंस के द्वारा जो दिया गया था संता को, सो जो गिफ्ट नहीं दिया गया था उसको हम लोग पॉइंट आउट करेंगे. सो जस्ट यू हैव टू सी द ब्लैकबोर्ड. ओके. Some tickets are not given. The Santa said for the children. Okay. Children जो कि संता को जो गिफ्ट नहीं दी उसको हम लोग को सर्कल करें. सो बॉल नहीं दिए. ओके. फ्लावर पोट नहीं दिए तो जस्ट यू हैव टू सर्कल. ओके. क्रिकेट बैट नहीं दिए. ओके. ये भी नहीं दिए थे. और टॉय ट्रक भी नहीं. ओके. नेक्स्ट others are given children said by the Santa. ओके. संता को बाकी जो गिफ्ट है दिया गया था। टेडी बेयर दिया गया था, क्वाइट दिया गया था, कुकीज, सॉक्स, बुक्स दिया गया था, मीटिंग जिक्सो पजल दिया गया था, पायल दिया गया था। फुल्स वर्ड्स फुल्स थिंग्स आर नॉट गिवन Santa's. Okay. So just we have to discuss. It is the love of kindness of children that is the best present of all, says Santa's in the story. What do we learn from this? तो इस स्टोरी से हम लोग क्या हम लोग को सीखने को मिलता है? Okay. It's a very loving person, loving kindness, because that time is very painful time. Some children are coming from the Santa's house and giving some things and loving and hugs also. Okay, that moment is very painful, sadly, and happy moment also from the Santa's side. Okay, so discuss your friend and parents also. The second number, come let's ask all share these wonderful gifts. ऐसे Santa is sharing a good idea. Why? ये बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया था कि संता के घर जाना और कुछ गिफ्ट देना, उनको उत्साहित करना। नहीं तो जो है संता अपने आप से टूट गए, क्योंकि एक अनोखा मोमेंट रहता है क्रिसमस के समय। जो संता क्लॉज जो बनते हैं तो ऑलरेडी बीमार हो चुके थे और बच्चे के पास जा नहीं सकते थे। सो just you have to talk to your friend parents also. So discuss this paragraph. Okay, then we have to do vocabulary in the sentence and circle the correct polite words. This polite words is here. Okay, see the blackboard. I have to do some question and answer. Rest we have to do yourself. Okay, it's very easy, not a difficult part, not a difficult story. First you know and understand it. Okay, so first number, thank you, please, and sorry. 3 words is there for coming to my birthday party. Okay. So just what we use? Thank you, please, sorry. What you use? So just you think and make a sentence. Okay, which one is correct? So I think thank you is the right answer. Thank you for coming to my birthday party. Okay, so you have to tick it. Okay, and circle it. Just you have to circle. This word is using for this sentence. Okay, so dear student, just you have to do another number 2. Please, sorry, thank you. Okay, 3 words is here. I lost your pencil. I lost your pencil. So which one is right? Here is the 3 words. Please, sorry, thank you. I lost your pencil. What is the right answer? Sorry. So say sorry. Sorry, I lost your pencil. यानी कि हम किसी का पेंसिल घुमा देते हैं तो फर्स्ट हम लोग अप्रोच करेंगे कि खुद को महसूस कराएंगे उसको कि हम लोग से जो है गलती हो चुका है। ओके, सो सॉरी आई लॉस्ट योर पेंसिल। हम लोग एक दूसरे को क्षमा प्रार्थना करते हैं जैसे। सो सॉरी आई लॉस्ट योर पेंसिल। यहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या बोलना चाहिए? सॉरी, ना कि प्लीज। ओके, सो जस्ट वी हैव टू write or circle sorry. Okay, the sentence is completed. So there is that here the 6 number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, just you have to do yourself. It's very easy. Okay. Just you understand the sentence. Okay. Which sentence or words is correct. Okay. Just you have to use. So 3 number also completed. Can you pass that sun? Can you pass you? Can you pass the sun, please? So here is the please. You have to circle it. Okay. And rest number you have to do yourself. Okay. Rest number you have to do yourself. It's very easy. Just you understand. Okay. Which place, which words you have to do, or you have to do yourself. Okay. Then another page 78 page. Fill in the blanks with this word. Okay. Some number have to do. Then rest others you have to do yourself. Okay. Not a difficult part of doing question answer, but you read aloud and understand. So that what you have to do all the numbers. Okay. Positively thinking. So fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with this word. This word. So dear student, get some words: light, gift, celebration, greeting, fibers, decoration, parent. Light, gift, celebration, greeting, fireworks, decoration, parent. And some here the 1 to 5 number. Some place is vacant, so we put that vacant place these words, choosing first which place which words is correct and which words is right that place. Okay. So first number we have to do. Okay. See the blackboard. On Republic. On Republic Day, there is a colorful what? Decoration. Here we have to put decorations. Okay. Decoration is the right place and right answer in the capital New. Okay. So sentence is complete. New Delhi. So dear student, just you see the blackboard. On Republic Day there is a colorful decoration. So here we have to put decoration. Okay. In the capital New Delhi. So here we have what you use decoration. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words is here. So first words we have to complete the numbers. One number decoration. Okay. Rest number you have to do yourself. Okay. It's very easy. Just you take which words is which place. First you think and understand all the sentence. Then do it very easily, not a difficult. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5 number you have to do yourself. If you don't know, then leave it. I will give you a question or answer next time. Okay. So dear student, just you have to now we doing grammar section. Grammar section you have to do some question answer. Okay. So be ready. How do you identify the sentence? Read these rules. First, you have to read this one. A sentence always begin with a capital letter. For example, I have a cat. The name of the cat is Tom. Rules. At the end of the sentence, there is always full stop. Okay. Here is the full stop. Always end of sentence. Full stop. Or question marks. This mark as the exclamation mark. This mark for the example. The cat is playing with the ball of wool. So here is the full stop. Okay. What is the cat playing with? So here is the question mark. Wow, wait, just wait, just sleep outside the door. Where the cat just sleep outside the door. The exclamation mark. Okay. So this sentence must make sense. That is the it should be many. Which of the following sentence makes sense to you? The black dog Dingo and the ginger cat always play together. Dingo is the play together. Black dog always ginger cat. So those sentence the most sense is that should be meaningful. Which the following sentence makes sense to you? Okay, just you do yourself. Then take the correct sentence. Here is the some sentence. The zebra started run very fast when he spotted the lioness. Okay, just you have to take correct sentence. Other rest are you have to leave it or you have to put a wrong mark. But in correct sentence you have to tick. Okay, in these boxes. Okay. So 1 to 7 number. Do yourself. It's very easy, not a difficult. First you understand it. Okay. Then you have to do easy. Okay, very easy. Then pronunciation. Look at this picture and write the name of things. Note the common air sound in all names. Just try to look at the picture. Here is the correct car. So which sound with the all the names? Air car. So using air लगाए नहीं car star air लगाए star. So ये क्या है जा ये क्या है आप लोग so do yes sir yourself 5 to 6 number also 1 to 6 number some difference picture is there so do yourself just easily help of your parents and your friends okay then fill in the blanks with this air sound words some words is here sharp large party farm bird garden star okay so let's do some numbers okay rest others are you have to do yourself fill in the blanks fill in the blanks which words air sound होना चाहिए okay sound blanks air sound some number some words is here sad large party farm bird garden dog so one number you have to do the little dog had a loud bark. So first number, the words using the little dog had a loud bark. कुत्ता जो है बहुत जोर से भौंकता है, चाहे छोटा हो या बड़ा. So the little dog had a loud bark. The second number, there were cows and goats in the farm. Okay? There were cows and goats. हमारे जो गाय और जो छेल रहते हैं नहीं है तो वो कहाँ रहते हैं फार्म में रहते हैं ओके there were cows okay dear student there were cows and goats in their farm so cows you have to know गाय goats बकरी ठीक बकरी बोला जाता है ठीक है so goats means बकरी in the farm farm में जो कौन रहते हैं cows और बकरी so just complete this sentence a last one farm okay so just two sentences completed one and two number is completed other rest number you have to do yourself okay 3 to 7 number I am already doing the answer then I have to give it next time okay if you don't know but you have to try all the questions are doing perfectly okay so then for your word listening and speaking listen the audio and mark the sentence true or false okay this one you have to do yourself okay so dear student our chapter is also completed okay just composition do you know Who are elves? Elves live in North Pole. They help Santa every year in prepare to Christmas. Santa has decided to throw a dance party for the elves, thank them for their hard work, write the invitation. So just we have to write invitation. Okay, this one first you read the sentence and know and understand it. Okay, so just you time to celebrate, just you write yourself. Okay, time to celebrate dear elves, just you invited elves to party with dance. Okay, date of party, time of party, every to dancing shoes and क्या क्या लाना है with love Santa. Just you prepare a small card, invitation card. Okay, so dear student, I hope you enjoy these small chapters Santa Christmas chapter number 9. Okay, I hope you all are understanding very well. Okay, so dear student, do all the question answer yourself. If you don't know, don't worry and don't harassment. I am here. I will give you some question answer. Okay, next class. So dear student, now we have to complete Santa's Christmas. So for last, for end, for your information, the coronavirus is spreaded all over India, all across our Odisha. So be careful, stay your home and save yourself, save your parents. Many times you have to using hand washes, sanitizers, okay, and don't go outside if not necessary, okay, because some migrant laborers are coming more and more days, okay, so we have to be careful themselves and don't go outside. So this is for your small information, and do all the question answer and read properly all the books, not only English but also all the subject. You have to complete question answer and read properly and see all visualization for Gyan Jyoti online classes and subscribe our channel Gyan Jyoti online classes. Okay, so dear student, thank you very much. Have a nice day.